Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to dive deep into a topic that many of us wish we had learned in school, the intersection of money and happiness. While formal education is invaluable, there are essential life lessons about financial well-being and happiness that often go untaught. Stay till the end of the video as we have shared some well-researched, hand-picked data. Let's explore these crucial insights together. Number 5. The school system and financial literacy. To understand what school doesn't teach us about money and happiness, let's begin with the school system itself. Our formal education typically focuses on academic subjects, but often neglects practical life skills, such as financial literacy. This gap leaves many graduates ill-equipped to manage their finances effectively. Without a foundation in financial literacy, individuals may struggle with budgeting, saving, investing, and making informed financial decisions, all of which can significantly impact their overall happiness and well-being. The school system is undoubtedly a vital institution for imparting knowledge and skills, but it has limitations. One of the significant gaps in traditional education is the lack of emphasis on financial literacy. Schools primarily focus on academic subjects from mathematics to science and literature, which are undoubtedly essential. However, practical life skills, particularly financial literacy, often take a backseat. Financial literacy encompasses understanding how money works, from budgeting and saving to investing and managing debt. It's a skill set that profoundly influences our ability to navigate the financial complexities of adulthood. The consequence of this omission is that many graduates enter the real world without the necessary knowledge to manage their finances effectively. Number 4. Money and happiness. Now let's delve into the complex relationship between money and happiness. Contrary to what some might believe, studies show that money alone does not guarantee happiness. While financial security is crucial for peace of mind, the pursuit of excessive wealth can lead to stress, anxiety, and a lack of fulfillment. The key takeaway is that happiness is not solely determined by the amount of money you have. It is influenced by factors like personal relationships, purpose, health, and a sense of fulfillment. Many people believe that accumulating wealth will automatically lead to happiness. While financial stability is undoubtedly important, studies have consistently shown that money alone does not guarantee happiness. Surprisingly, the correlation between money and happiness is more nuanced. While having enough money to cover your basic needs and live comfortably contributes to happiness, the pursuit of excessive wealth can have the opposite effect. Research suggests that beyond a certain income threshold, additional income has diminishing returns on overall well-being. The phenomenon is known as the Easterlin paradox. The key takeaway here is that money, while necessarily for financial security and comfort, is not the sole determinant of happiness. Other factors such as personal relationships, a sense of purpose, health, and a balanced lifestyle play significant roles. In the next segment, we'll explore the concept of financial well-being and how it relates to overall life satisfaction. Stay with us as we uncover more about the intricacies of money and happiness. Number 3. Financial well-being and life satisfaction. While money doesn't buy happiness, financial well-being is closely linked to life satisfaction. Financial stability provides a sense of security, which can reduce stress and anxiety, contributing to overall life satisfaction. The school doesn't always teach us how to manage our finances effectively to achieve this sense of stability. When your financial situation is stable, you're better equipped to meet your basic needs, reduce financial stress, and plan for future. All of these factors contribute to an increased sense of life satisfaction. Research has shown that individuals who feel financially secure are generally more content with their lives. They can enjoy a greater sense of freedom and have the flexibility to pursue their passions and interests. However, it's essential to understand that financial well-being is not solely determined by the amount of money you earn. It's about how you manage and allocate your resources to achieve your financial goals. Number 2. the importance of financial literacy. So what's the missing piece of the puzzle? Financial literacy. Financial literacy encompasses the knowledge and skills needed to make informed financial decisions. It includes budgeting, saving, investing, understanding credit, and planning for the future. Learning about financial literacy empowers individuals to take control of their financial destinies, reduce financial stress, and work toward achieving their financial goals, which can ultimately contribute to their happiness. Financial literacy is the foundation of effective financial management. It encompasses the knowledge and skills needed to make informed decisions about money, from budgeting and saving to investing and understanding credit. Learning about financial literacy empowers individuals to take control of their financial destinies. It helps them create and follow budgets, save for important goals, invest wisely, and make informed financial decisions. Now, without a solid understanding of financial concepts, individuals may find themselves struggling with financial stress, debt, and an inability to achieve their financial goals. This can have a significant impact on their overall life satisfaction and happiness. Fortunately, financial literacy can be learned at any stage of life. It's never too late to educate oneself about money matters and develop the skills needed to achieve financial well-being. Number 1. Pursuing true happiness. To wrap up, let's discuss how to pursue true happiness beyond just financial well-being. While managing your money wisely is essential, remember that happiness often comes from non-material sources. Invest time in building meaningful relationships, pursuing your passions, staying healthy, and finding a sense of purpose in life. In conclusion, school may not have taught us everything about money and happiness, but it's never too late to educate ourselves and strive for a balanced and fulfilling life. While managing your money is wisely undoubtedly important, happiness often comes from non-material sources. Here are some key factors to consider. Number 1. Relationships. Building and nurturing meaningful relationships with family and friends are essential for happiness. Human connections provide emotional support and a sense of belonging. Number 2. Purpose. Finding a sense of purpose and meaning in your life can contribute significantly to your happiness. This might involve pursuing your passions, volunteering, or engaging in activities that align with your values. Number 3. Health. Taking care of your physical and mental health is crucial for happiness. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and stress management are all essential components of well-being. Number 4. Work-life balance. Achieving a healthy work-life balance allows you to enjoy both your professional and personal life, reducing stress and increasing overall happiness. Number 5. Gratitude. Practicing gratitude can foster a positive mindset and enhance happiness. Regularly reflecting on the things you are thankful for can shift your perspective towards a more optimistic outlook on life. Number 6. Personal growth. Continuously learning and growing as an individual can lead to a sense of accomplishment and satisfaction. If you're a book reader, then do read the 3 books mentioned in the description for more enlightenment on the following topic. Thank you for joining us on this learning journey through what school doesn't teach you about money and happiness. We hope you have gained valuable insights into the importance of financial literacy and the multifaceted nature of happiness. Remember, education is a lifelong process, and learning how to navigate the complexities of life, including money and happiness, is a worthy pursuit. Stay curious, stay informed, and stay happy. Until next time, take care.